Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to send an in-house sign document using a template. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To get into the Inhouse Sign module, all I need to do is click on the Inhouse Sign menu in my console page. So I have a few templates. I just switched over to the templates tab. We're going to be using our test proposal template. I have it opened up here. This template has two roles. Okay. So, and I currently have just one signature. I can just drag another signature for my second role. Perfect. Save this. So, all right, I'm going to just exit out of this template. To create a document, I'm going to switch back into the Documents tab. I'm going to click on Create a Document. I'm going to call this Test Proposal 4448. If I wanted to attach this to a project, I could. And because I want to use a template, I'm going to toggle this on. Now it gives us this template input. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the directory icon, select my template. I'm going to switch to the development environment because I don't want to actually send a proper legal document. I just want to do a test draft document. I'm going to go over here. I'm just going to pick random users. I'm going to go to the security, turn that off, and send. So it's generating our in-house sign app or document app, our e-signature application. If I switch to the development environment, I can see that over here. If I view it, I can see that our document has been sent. I actually got the email. You can see the two recipients and what they have to do. If they were in front of you, you could have them both sign one after the other. You could cancel this document. You could resend it if someone said, hey, I did not get it. And you could always review your settings. All right. So that's it for creating a document using a template. As you can see, it's a lot faster. If you already have a template configured, you move so much faster. All right. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.